Welcome to Lesson 2 of Anatomy and Physiology. This lesson uses AI voice to guide you, but don't worry. I've reviewed and edited everything to make it clear and accurate. In future lessons, you might hear my own voice too, but for now, let's focus on learning. Now let's get started with Lesson 2, Anatomical Position, Directional Terms, and Body Planes. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the anatomical position, use directional terms correctly, identify and explain body planes, apply these terms to real-life examples. Anatomical position is a standard reference position used in anatomy. It allows scientists, doctors, and students to describe body parts the same way every time. In anatomical position, the body is standing upright with feet flat on the floor. The arms are at the sides, palms face forward, and the head and eyes look straight ahead. All anatomical terms are based on anatomical position, even if a person is sitting, lying down, or moving. This prevents confusion and ensures clear communication. Directional terms are words used to describe where one body structure is located compared to another. These terms are always based on anatomical position. Superior means toward the head, and inferior means toward the feet. For example, the head is superior to the chest, and the stomach is inferior to the heart. Anterior refers to the front of the body, while posterior refers to the back. The sternum is anterior to the heart, and the spine is posterior to the lungs. Medial means toward the body's midline, and lateral means away from the midline. The nose is medial to the eyes, while the arms are lateral to the chest. Proximal and distal are directional terms used mainly for the limbs. Proximal means closer to the point of attachment to the body, and distal means farther from the point of attachment. For example, the elbow is proximal to the wrist, and the fingers are distal to the elbow. Superficial means closer to the surface of the body, while deep means farther from the surface. The skin is superficial to muscles, and bones are deep to muscles. Body planes are imaginary flat surfaces used to divide the body into sections. They help scientists and healthcare workers study and describe the body. The sagittal plane divides the body into left and right sections. When the body is divided into equal halves, it is called the mid-sagittal plane. The frontal or coronal plane divides the body into front or anterior and back or posterior sections. The transverse plane divides the body into upper or superior and lower or inferior sections. Medical scans are often taken using this plane. Directional terms and body planes are used every day in healthcare. They help medical professionals describe injuries, read scans, and plan treatments accurately. Pause the video and think about this question. In anatomical position, the heart is what direction compared to the lungs? The correct answer is medial. The heart is closer to the midline of the body than the lungs. In this lesson, we learned that anatomical position provides a standard reference, directional terms describe relationships between body parts, and body planes divide the body for easier study. In the next lesson, we will explore body cavities and organ systems, including where major organs are located in the body. Now it's your turn. Think about the directional terms we learned today. Which term would you use to describe the wrist in relation to the shoulder? Can you come up with another example of proximal and distal in the body? Leave your answers in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with.